The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, front air conditioning, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, remote vehicle start, cruise control, automatic climate control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.